Right, hi guys, welcome to this experiment from my kitchen. So you're going to be collecting data for your correlation coefficient calculation. So we're going to simulate seeds dropping from the sky, from trees I suppose. So you're going to make seeds out of pieces of toilet paper. So I've made the biggest one here, so it's easier to see. This one's 35 by 35 millimeters, and I've put a dot in the middle of it to make it easier to measure the distance that it's travelled. So starting with the largest, that's my one seed. I've got my cross on the floor here that you can see that I've made with sellotaping down two pieces of string. I've made a plumb line out of string, which is 1.5 meters tall. Okay, I've just tied a battery to the bottom of it to weight it down, that's all I could find. So that's the height that I'm going to drop the seeds from each time. So I'm going to take my seed, I'm going to hold it above the cross at 1.5 meters. I'm going to take the plumb line out of the way so it doesn't get in the way. I'm going to drop my seed. Okay. And then I'm going to take my tape measure and I'm going to measure how far the seed has gone. So I'm going to measure from the dot in the center of the seed back to the cross. That's 63. Okay, I'm going to do it in millimeters, so that's going to be 635 millimeters, 63.5 centimeters, but I think we'll measure in millimeters, so 635 millimeters. Right, now I'm going to repeat that 4 more times, so I'm going to get 5 measurements. So again, hold up my plumb line for the height, drop the seed. Okay, and then I measure again, and then I'm going to repeat that for all the other measurements, or all the other seeds of different dimensions. So then you can just cut down this one piece into smaller and smaller sizes, and then you don't use up too much toilet paper in this experiment, in these hard times. So you can just use that one piece and make it smaller and smaller. So you drop the same one 5 times and record. And then you'll need to calculate the surface area of each of those. So that's one of your variables, is surface area. The other variable, the paired value to go with the size of the seed, is going to be the distance, the mean distance, because you're going to do it 5 times. So although this involves a mean, it's not going to be a t-test because we've got paired values, seed size or seed area against drop distance. Okay, so those are your paired values. So we'll convene on Teams to look at the results and talk about the questions, null hypothesis, etc. Okay.